Hello, welcome back to the Flumpest. Have you ever wondered how drones fly? Well, how about you find out? Jasper, take it away.
Drones. They're used for everything now. Surveillance, delivery, or just for fun. But how do they work? Well, 2 rotors rotate clockwise and 2 more counterclockwise. This is done to keep the total angular momentum at 0. To stop it spinning round, all the motors push up the same amount. To go forward, you must tilt the drone so the upward force is also pushing forward. The same goes for any outward direction. To do this, increase thrust in the back tube and decrease at the front. This, as previously mentioned, is used for moving in any direction, but to rotate the drone, well, it has to do with the conservation of angular momentum. Angular momentum is the measure of an object's rotational motion. So if I decrease the 2 clockwise motors, it would have to rotate the same direction in order to keep the angular momentum at 0. It is also essential to increase the clockwise motors so the drone does not fall out of the sky. Woo! In the end, it's not that complex. You can control the drone by just varying the speed of these 4 motors. All you need is a computer to translate finger movements into that.
Thank you for that, Jasper. Don't forget to watch our other video on making a drone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you all next time. Bye!